Losing a loved one is difficult, and dealing with their estate can add further complexity, particularly when it involves a cooperative apartment. This section introduces the process of recovering assets from a deceased relative's cooperative apartment. In this video, we will guide you through several important steps to handle the retrieval of assets from a deceased relative's cooperative apartment. This includes contacting the Cooperative Board, locating share certificates, understanding financial obligations, engaging legal counsel, transferring or surrendering ownership, and finally the distribution of assets. The first step is to contact the Cooperative Board. They maintain records of ownership and will have documentation related to your relative's apartment. Request copies of all relevant documents, including share certificates, loan agreements, and any correspondence related to the apartment. In this section, we focus on locating share certificates. These certificates represent ownership in the cooperative. First, check if they are available among the deceased's documents. However, if the certificates are not readily available, the Cooperative Board should have records indicating ownership. If a loan was secured against the apartment, the lender may hold the certificates. Now we will understand the financial situation regarding the cooperative apartment. It's important to determine if any outstanding loans or mortgages are associated with the apartment. If there are debts, they must be settled before any remaining equity can be accessed. To do this, obtain a payoff statement from any lenders involved. This flowchart shows the step-by-step process of retrieving assets from a cooperative apartment after a death. The process starts with contacting the Cooperative Board, followed by locating share certificates, understanding the financial situation, engaging legal counsel, transferring or surrendering ownership, and finally distributing the assets to the beneficiaries. Given the complexities involved, it's highly recommended to engage legal counsel. A lawyer specializing in real estate or probate law will assist in navigating the legal procedures, handle communication with the Cooperative Board, and ensure that the process is executed properly. After settling debts and resolving any legal issues, the next step is to transfer the ownership of the shares to another family member or surrender it to the cooperative. The process will be dictated by the specific rules and regulations of the cooperative. Once the ownership of shares is transferred or surrendered, any remaining equity can finally be distributed to the beneficiaries as outlined in the will or intestacy laws. This might involve selling the shares, a process that is usually managed by the cooperative. Here are some additional pieces of advice. First, keeping detailed records of all communication, documentation, and transactions related to the cooperative apartment is essential. Next, be patient, as navigating legal and financial matters can take time. Finally, ensure you understand the rules and regulations of the specific cooperative, as each has its unique procedures. Let's take a pause for a quick quiz. What is the first step in retrieving assets from a cooperative apartment? Is it 1. Locate share certificates. 2. Contact the Cooperative Board. 3. Engage legal counsel. Or 4. Understand the financial situation? You may pause the video now to think about the answer. Here, we will discuss the answer in the next section of the video. The correct answer is to contact the Cooperative Board. This is the first and crucial step to gather all relevant documents related to ownership. Navigating the complexities of inheriting a cooperative apartment can be challenging. However, with careful planning and assistance from legal professionals, it is manageable. By systematically addressing the steps and advice outlined above, you can recover any assets rightfully belonging to your family. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you found this video helpful. We look forward to hearing your thoughts in the comments below.